Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're here for part 2 of 10 apps that pay you money every day, you are in the right place. If you happen to miss part 1, I've linked it down in the description for you. But don't worry, because today, I've got 10 more completely legit apps that are paying out real cash to people just like you every single day. So, do me a favor, grab your phone, get comfortable, and let's dive right in. First up is Qmee. This app pays you instantly for super simple tasks, like completing small surveys, searching online, and trying out new offers. The absolute best part, there's no minimum payout. You can withdraw as little as $1 straight to your PayPal, anytime you want. Next, we have BuzzBreak. Imagine getting paid just for scrolling through the news and watching short videos. That's exactly what BuzzBreak does. You also get daily coins and referral bonuses that you can cash out. Moving on to number 3. This is a really fun one where you get paid for watching funny videos, playing mini games, and inviting your friends. The more active you are on the app, the faster your earnings pile up. At number 4 is TaskRabbit, which is perfect for anyone who enjoys short, local jobs. You can earn money daily by completing small online or in-person tasks, like making a delivery, helping with furniture setup, or even doing some writing. People are making anywhere from $20 to $100 a day with this. Number 5 is TimeBucks. This is an awesome all-in-one platform that pays you for taking surveys, watching slideshows, and even posting content online. It offers reliable payments through PayPal or even Bitcoin, making it perfect for beginners. Coming in at number 6 is Remotasks. Here, you can earn money by doing things like labeling images, reviewing audio clips, or helping to train AI models. They pay weekly, and it's a fantastic option for remote freelancers. Next, we have UserTesting. This is so cool. You get to test websites and apps, share your honest opinion, and get paid $10 for every 20-minute test. It's simple, incredibly flexible, and a great starting point for anyone. For all you creative folks, number 8 is Foap. This app lets you turn your smartphone photos into cash. Just upload your best pictures, and when someone buys them, you earn real money. At number 9, we have Toluna influencers. You get to answer surveys from major brands, earn points, and then convert those points into PayPal cash or gift cards. It's a trusted platform that pays out consistently. And finally, number 10 is the Givvy suite of apps, like Givvy videos and Givvy games. You can play games, watch short videos, or complete small tasks, and cash out instantly. They have some of the fastest daily payouts among all the micro-earning apps out there. So there you have it, another 10 real apps that can put money in your pocket daily. I've kept this video quick and to the point, but if you want the full list with all the links and even some payment proof, check out the blog post I've linked in the description and the pinned comment below. If you found this helpful, please give this video a huge thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss out. And if you want even more, comment part 3 down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.